This is the OSCAL Tank 1. The Tank 1 focuses on being nearly indestructible and outsmart the competition. The key feature here is its massive, industry-leading 20,000 mAh ExploVolt battery, which delivers up to 5 times the power of a standard flagship. But that's not all. It packs innovative tools like a powerful 170 lumen torch and a dedicated 20 megapixel night vision camera. In this video, checking out its flagship level performance with the Dimensity 7050 chip. The dual display innovation, 4K video, night vision, and high quality camera, all running on the new DokeOS 4.2 based on Android 15 and everything else it offers. So let's start with unboxing this beast. This is the OSCAL Tank 1. Well, on the box it highlights the phone's main features. Things like the dual screen, NFC, 5G and 48 GB of RAM. The box itself is pretty big, so I'm really curious to see what's inside. Let's open it up. Inside we get the Tank 1 itself. Let's set it aside for a moment. Along with that, there's the usual quick start guide and a nice leather hand strap, which actually feels pretty premium. There's no charging adapter included in the box, which is a bit of a letdown, but they do provide a USB Type-C charging cable. That's pretty much everything you get in the box. Now, let's take a closer look at this heavy beast. This is the OSCAL Tank 1. The phone features a futuristic look built around extreme durability. Its back is protected by a sleek glass panel, while the sides are fortified with solid materials and reinforced corners specifically designed to absorb shock from drops. The structure cleverly combines a rigid shell with soft rubber material for superior impact resistance and excellent grip. On the right side, you'll find the volume buttons and power key. On the left, there's a SIM card tray that supports 2 SIM cards plus a memory card with up to 2 terabytes of expandable storage, along with a customizable shortcut button for quick app access. At the bottom, there's the charging port, microphone and speaker. The sonorous 100 decibel speaker ensures your sound is powerful and clear. We have the super bright dual beam LED flashlights at the top. These aren't just a standard camera flash, but a powerful true torch. They deliver of brightness, can illuminate objects up to a way, and thanks to the huge battery, can run non-stop for a mind-boggling, and SOS mode is also included for emergencies. There is an infrared remote control built right in, allowing you to use the phone to control and switch multiple household devices with a single device. In the hand, the phone feels exactly like what its name suggests, a tank, weighing in at 640 grams. Crucially, the Tank 1 is certified with IP68, IP69K and military-grade 810H ratings. This means it's fully dust-proof, water-resistant up to 2 meters for 30 minutes, and built to handle high-pressure water jets. It can withstand 1.5 meter drops and built to operate stably from -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Now let's look at the screens. The main display is a generous 6.78-inch 2.4K FHD plus IPS panel, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 with 700 nits of brightness. But what really makes it smooth is the 120 Hz refresh rate. Scrolling through the OS and using apps feels incredibly fluid. On the back, built right into the camera module, is a 2.01-inch secondary display, your smart outdoor assistant. You can check the time, control music, view messages, or see incoming calls without waking the main screen. It also works as a viewfinder for taking high-quality selfies with the main rear camera. From the settings, you can customize the mini screen, change the dial style. There are 25 options available and they look great. Enable it to wake up when you get a call or notification and check the date, time, step count, and battery level. You can also adjust the screen timeout and brightness. I've enabled the option that lights up the secondary screen when I flip the phone over, and you can even double tap it to turn it on or off. The battery is truly the core of the Tank 1. We're talking about the 20,000 mAh ExploVolt battery. This monster capacity translates to up to 3 to 5 days of heavy-duty use and an incredible 1080 hours of standby time. It's built for endless adventures off the grid. OSCAL upgraded the charging to 55 watts wired turbocharging. Plus, it supports convenient 55-watt dock charging and 5-watt OTG reverse charging. Under the hood, the Tank 1 is powered by the 6nm MediaTek Dimensity 70505G octa-core processor. This is a flagship level engine built for speed, ultra-fast app response, and smooth gaming. It comes configured. Looking at the software, I am pleasantly surprised by how clean the OS is. It's running DokeOS 4.2 based on Android 15. It's a clean experience that's been optimized for rugged use with unique features, which fully integrates world-class AI models for voice wake-up, smart conversation, and creative AI text-to-image features. The Tank 1's cameras are designed for the outdoors, day or night. On the back, you get a high-resolution 64-megapixel AI True Chroma camera that captures sharp detail. But the real star here is the second lens, the 20-megapixel night vision camera. This dedicated sensor allows you to see clearly and stay safe in complete darkness. No external light needed. It's perfect for navigating trails after dark, checking your campsite, or for security. For selfies, you get a fantastic 50-megapixel front camera and supports ultra-clear 4K 30 frames per second video recording, ensuring your shots are crisp and ready to share, even when you're roughing it. I'll show you some real-world samples so you can see how these cameras perform. I'm recording this video from the front camera of OSCAL Tank 1, which supports 4K video recording, and it offers 50 megapixel front camera, and you can see the results from the front camera. Looks pretty nice. I'm walking slowly so you can see the result. Let me show you the running result now. It was a running result. The audio comes directly from this phone because I haven't attached any external microphone. Now I'm recording a video from the back camera of OSCAL Tank 1, which is 64 megapixel, and this is 4K video recording. You can see the result. See the buildings, tall buildings, very tall. Okay, so now I'm walking slowly, and those buildings, let's zoom in. So I'm very far from here. This is 1x, and it can zoom to 8x. Oh, that's a lot. Nice, not bad. Okay, let me show you the running result. Actually, I'm really impressed. It supports 4K video recording on front and back. You can also use this phone for vlogging. So this is the result from this phone. Alright guys, I think the OSCAL Tank 1 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.